So today in this video I'm going to be doing a little first impressions video on these, which are the Coven Cosmetics Killstar liquid lipsticks. They are matte, they are £9.99. I got this in the sale at £6.99 because I was waiting for it to go on sale before I actually took the plunge and bought one. So I got it in the shade Dusk, which on the website is classed as the purple colour. On my lips it doesn't look purple. This is the lipstick that I have on. On the website it kind of looked a little bit more light, and I feel like it is one of the colours that when you put it on, like over time it will get darker. Like if you put another layer of this on, it gets darker. I put a very thin layer of this on this morning and it has got darker like over the day. So that's something to look forward to. I put this on probably about 5 hours ago. I have been out of the house, I have been eating, I've been drinking, I've been wearing a face mask. So considering how much this has been through, and it's been like 4 or 5 hours, this has lasted amazingly. It is rubbed off a little bit here, not so much in the middle as you'd kind of expect. If you can see, inners of my mouth, it's kind of rubbed away, but all in all, it's pretty damn good. The consistency of this is actually really nice. I would love to try the nude coloured one. I can't for the life of me remember what that one was called, but there is a nude coloured one. When you first put this on, sticky, it's not thick, it's not gloopy, it's nothing like that. You literally put it on and then as it dries you cannot feel that it is there, like at all. Yeah, it's really nice. The consistency is beautiful. As soon as I put it on, as I said, I got no idea that I'd got it on. I could drink, I could eat, and everything stayed exactly where it should be. I think this is just mainly just rubbing off through the day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch it up and see, like, this is it rubbed off a little bit. I'm going to show you like how it gets darker. Okay, I'll put another layer on. The camera is not showing it up the colour that it actually is. It looks red in the camera. It's not quite red. It has reddy undertones. It's redder than I was expecting it to be. I kind of wanted it to be a muted purple. Kind of, didn't mind it being a dark purple, but yeah, in the camera it definitely looks a lot more red than I would like it to look. But yeah, the consistency itself is really nice. I would love to see them do one of these colours, but a proper whitey nude colour, like to match my kind of skin. That is the kind of thing that I would adore and would jump at, and I know that they can kind of make it with this kind of formula because it is that kind of formula that would allow you to do this. And I don't think I'll be wearing it that often because the colour is not something that I would tend to wear that often. If it was nude kind of colour, I would definitely give it more of a go, but I have other videos to record today and I'm going to take this off because it's not the shade that it looks like on the website, so that's a bit of a shame. But the formula and everything, I cannot fault the formula in the slightest. It's beautiful, the formula. Like, it's dried again now and I can't feel that I've got it on my lips at all. So yeah, if there is a colour in there that you particularly like I feel like the black would be very nice, and possibly if I feel like ordering one again, might go for the black one, or there is a nuder kind of pink kind of colour which maybe I might go for. But anyway, that's enough of that for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.